So this is Math 20-2, Proportional Reasoning, Topic 2, Example 4 on page 22 in your workbook. So in this example, we will be determining dimensions. Philip is contracted to make stereo speakers for a home entertainment company. Shown below is the scale diagram of the speakers. So here's the scale diagram. Using a ruler, measure the dimensions of the scale diagram. So the width of the speaker is, looks like it's 2.3 centimeters. We can work here in millimeters or centimeters. So here, this dimension here, we're going to call that width, or W, is 2.3 centimeters. Okay, the depth is 3.3. So we're going to call that D for depth, 3.3 centimeters. And the height of the speakers are 5.5 centimeters. So we're going to call this H for height, 5.5 centimeters. Okay, so that's A. In B, if the scale factor is 1 to 14, determine the dimensions of the actual speaker to nearest tenth of a centimeter. Okay, so we need to do three calculations here. We need to do a calculation for the width, the depth, and the height. And for all of them, we're going to be using the same formula we used in the previous examples. I'm just going to write it down on the side here. LSF is new over old. The width here, the scale factor is 1 to 14. That's our LSF. So it's 1 over 14. The new dimension, so new is the scale diagram, it's the model. We're looking for the actual size, right? We're looking for what's referred to as old, or actual size. So the width is 2.3 divided by the actual size. We don't know what that is. We're just going to call it W. Okay. If we rearrange this equation, we can rewrite this as W equals 2.3 times 14, which means that the width, the actual width, is going to be 32.2 centimeters. We have to do the same procedure for the depth. We have the same scale factor. The depth we have in our scale diagram is 3.3 divided by, we're going to call it D. We can rearrange this equation and solve for D. We're going to get 3.3 times 14, which gives us a depth of 46.2 centimeters. And then finally, we have to do the same thing for the height. So again, same scale factor. The measured height on the scale diagram is 5.5 over H. We can rearrange it and solve it for H. We're going to get 5.5 times 14, which gives us a height of 77 centimeters.